Hello everyone, this is your girl Dixie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to welcome you back to my garden. I'm gonna share with you a harvesting video today, harvesting some of my tomatoes that are ready to be harvested. I don't know if you can see them, they're right over there. And some of my eggplants too that are ready to be harvested. Some of them are back over there. They're well overdue to be harvested, so I'm gonna be harvesting those eggplants. I did harvest a cucumber, a big one, yesterday. This cucumber I did harvest it yesterday to make dinner for my family. We did enjoy it. It was really good, even though it was really big. It was over time well overdue to be harvested, but it still tasted good. So the garden is looking good. Everything is green and lush. There is a lot of food growing in the garden. There is a new plant that I have in the garden. I've been trying to grow these vegetables for the past 2 or 3 years, and it won't work for me. I don't know what the problem was, if it was the soil or what it is, but this year, oh my goodness, this vegetable is doing really good. If you're from Gambia or from West Africa, somewhere in West Africa, you will know about this vegetable. It's called bitter tomato, and in Gambia and Senegal we call it jahatu. It is really growing for me this year. I've been struggling to grow this plant, but thank God a friend of mine sent me the fruit itself, so I save the seeds. So I'm not sure if that's the reason why it is working this year, because the fruit, she got it from somewhere here in the state, so she sent me the fruit, so I saved the seed. But the plants are doing really good. So I planted some in pots, and I planted some down on the ground, and all of them are doing good. So I don't know what I did. I didn't do anything special. I just keep on trying. That's the beauty part about gardening. For me, I call myself an experimental gardener, because that's what I do. I experiment on stuff and I don't give up. I just keep on trying and trying and see if they're gonna work. Every year, if I have to put one seedling down and see if it's gonna work, I will do it. But I go crazy. I can put 2 or 3, I can put up to 5 seedlings down just to make sure that I have at least one going well. But this year, my God, this bitter tomato, the jahatu, is doing great. I'm just sad that I didn't put that much, or some of them I'm not gonna say I didn't put that much. I planted a lot. I put a lot of seedlings down, but I look at them and some of them were not doing good. Me being impatient, I pull some of them out, and I am mad at myself, hitting my head. I'm like, why did you do that? But to tell you the truth, this is amazing to have them fruiting. They are fruiting. They have some they have the actual fruit coming out. So I am really excited, and I'll share with you that. You see, this is what I'm going through. I'm sorry. There's a flight passing by. Every time I come out record this video, there will be a flight or two passing by. So I'm sorry about the noise. And it's outside, y'all, and it's noisy. And sometimes it's beautiful. You can hear the birds singing, which I really like. So I'm gonna stop talking and share with you this harvesting video. Enjoy. Someone has been eating my tomatoes. This is why I need to harvest them. Look at that. Someone has been enjoying them, so I need to harvest them before they take them all. Look at that. Beautiful tomatoes. These are San Manzano tomatoes. Just look how beautiful they look. These are my rainbow cherry tomatoes. It says rainbow cherry tomatoes, but these are huge cherry tomato. So I don't know. It's organic rainbow cherry tomato. That's what the package says, but this is what I get out of it. But it's still sweet. And these are my yellow pears. Beautiful, huh? So far, this is what I have on the tomatoes. So let's go over there and see if we can get some more tomatoes on the other side of the garden over there. This is the vegetable plant I was talking about, the fruit. Sorry, the vegetable plant, the bitter tomato. I had over, I think, 3 or 4 plants over here in this big garden, but like I said earlier, I pulled them out because I thought they were not gonna do good, so I pulled them out. But let me show you the rest of them. They're fruiting. Now here is the other plant here. Look at this, look at the difference. This one and this one were planted at the same day, same time. But look at this one, how good it looks. That one is pulling through. It's gonna work the same way as the other one over there, which I was talking about. I've pulled out all of them that I put over there, and I left one there, and I said, let me leave you there and see if you're gonna work, because they were looking bad. It was all, the leaves were all eaten, and it was just a stem standing. So I just left that one there. So this is what I was talking about, the beauty about gardening. You have to have patience with your plants. If not, you're gonna pull it out. With this, you can see the plant, the leaves are yellowing because there was a lot of rain. We have a lot of rain the past month and until the middle of June. So I think that's the reason the fruits were drowning in water. I think that's the reason why the leaves are yellow. So I didn't pull them out. I just leave them there and let this plant thrive on its own. But let me show you. Look at this. This is how the fruit look like if you don't know about this. Let me show you, focus this camera. There you go. This is bitter tomato. This is how the plant look like. Here it is still flowering and it's still producing fruit. There is still more over there. I don't know if you can see it good. Let's see if my camera can focus really good. Here we go. There's another one here and there's one here. See, it's fruiting, y'all, for the first time. Trying after 4 years, oh no, not 4, I'll take it back. After 3 years of trying to grow this vegetable, it is really working. I nearly gave up hope, and I told my friend that gave me the seed, and I told her, I don't know, maybe it's the Texas soil, because the soil is really clay-like, very heavy and dense. So I don't know if that was the reason why it wasn't doing too well. But as you can see, I have some fruit coming up, and this is, you see, the plant is packed with flowers. I'm just hoping that all these flowers are gonna fruit. All these flowers are gonna fruit and I can enjoy my bitter tomatoes. All right, let's go harvest some more tomatoes. I have chamomile growing all over the garden. This is my first year growing it for my tea. So I have them here. There is one plant here and another plant over there. All over the garden there's chamomile. There's some over there, some there, some here. A lot of them all over the garden because I love my tea. So we're gonna go over there and harvest some eggplants and some more tomatoes. A tomato, and I want to show you guys this giant tomatoes. Look at that. Look how huge this look. These are giant tomatoes. They came in a box of different tomatoes mix. So I'm gonna harvest this one. It looks like it's splitting. It's ready to be harvested. So I'm gonna harvest it and show you how huge this look, and I'll try and weigh it and see how much it weighed. So I'll show you guys. Here you go. Look at that. Let's see. Let's harvest it. This big tomato. This is huge. Wow. Let me harvest the rest of them because it looks like they're all done. This is what I was talking about, is splitting. Oh my God. Let me show you my giant tomatoes. Let me take them out of the bag. Oh my God, it was splitting. See? See how big this is. This is my first time too growing these giant tomatoes. Now let me bring this basket closer so you can all see what I've harvested today. This amazing giant tomatoes, white eggplants, different varieties of tomatoes, cherry tomatoes, and varieties of peppers too. Thank you all so much for coming along with me. I really appreciate you. If you're a subscriber and you're coming back to my channel, thank you so much. I really appreciate you guys. If you're new to this channel and watching my video for the first time, if you like it, please don't forget to subscribe and also hit the notification bell so when I upload a new video you will be notified. Thank you all so much once again. Have a blessed day. Bye.